one.
So. Yeah, when you're in my back, no, we. But we're thinking the whole lot before we forget.
Oh, it's okay. There's the egg. Now send the fish.
Too amazing. Yeah.
Una boa do abro pelo jabu.
Let go. Let go tatala. Mata. Dap na la. Nya ya chila ku.
Abang ala.
Yeah.
Abang. This.
Okay, now let me see it very well. Okay, now.
This one is really deep. Really deep. This one went down really deep. There he is. There's one here in this hole, so. You can see the little chamber that it makes right here. You can dig that all the way and try to get to that cocoon where the fish is actually at. There he's coming to it right there. Do you hear the fish making noise? Pull this fish out. Now this is the bigger one. And there is the mudfish.
Wow.
There he is.